the 2003 Cadillac Escalade EXT. It is completed. Beautiful, beautiful color combination. And guys, you have it there with the emblems, Cadillac emblems, your center console, your armrest. You have all these goodies right here. Headrest, armrest, you know, just like the factory did it. My pockets in the back, airbag reinforcement. You get the door panels, and you get the carpet just like the dealer intended to have. In the back, emblems of Cadillac for the other headrest, the armrest, guys, Cadillac emblems. And don't forget, take it to the next level, put the grid system, guys. Inquire about this, and if you cannot afford it, or you don't want to go that far, at least get your seat heaters. And that's your Cadillac SLT in different colors combinations, you name it, we can carry, we can make it for you guys. This is mahogany, guys. Beautiful matching console, double stitch, just like the factory did it. Double map pockets in the rear. Everything to a specification, including the armrest. Beautiful double armrest with a compartment. Guys, if you like it, and if you want to get rid of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats, or your all leather interior, please visit LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. We can ship this directly to your house, home, office, so you can work on it. Or we can recommend you professional installation. Bring it to us right here in San Bernardino. We have this available in any color combination, over 60 different colors. Contrast stitch, piping, diamonds, quilting, you name it, guys. We carry everything. Make an inquiry. Put it in the comments. People on Facebook, please like and subscribe so you can see more transformations on vehicles. And guys, if you think this is nice, please let me know. Remember, we sell leather kits with a 3 years, 36,000 miles guarantee. You don't have to worry about anything because you are protected. And all the features, airbags, everything, we make them. So if you want to upgrade to the next level, you can get heating and cooling. So you can get warm on winter and so cool in the summer. And if that's too much for you guys, or the budget is not there, at least get your seat heaters so you are not shivering in your vehicle while you're driving, right? All right, my friends, it's still warm, it's winter still, and please always drive in style. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Thank you, guys.